Hello, Erin with Stitch Stuff Yarn. Today I will be going over the purl stitch. So we have our stitches on our left hand needle, and we are going to start with that in our left hand. And this time our yarn is going to be in the front. So I like, again, to wrap it around my pinky and over my fingers like so. And you are going to start the purl stitch by going on the right side of the stitch and into the front like this. And you're going to bring your yarn up and over, and bringing your right hand needle back through the loop to the back, making sure you catch that loop. This is the yarn that you wrapped around the right hand needle, and slipping that stitch off again. So just a reverse knit. So again, in through the right side of the needle to the front, wrapping your yarn up and over, and bringing your right hand needle back through into the back, making sure you're grabbing that yarn you wrapped around, because that's creating a new stitch, and sliding the stitch off that you purled through. So purl in through the front of your stitch, wrapping up and over, bringing your needle back through the stitch, making sure you're grabbing that yarn with it, and sliding the stitch that you knitted through off. So into the front like that, taking your yarn up and over, and sliding your right hand needle right back through the loop, back where you came from. I like to go to the back, and there's my loop that I wrapped around my right hand needle, and sliding it off. So again, like knit stitch, you just keep going across every stitch until all of the stitches are on your right hand needle. So into the front, up and over, bringing your needle back through the loop, making sure you're catching that yarn with it to create that loop, and back through and off. Make sure that yarn is in the front. Yarn is in the front, through the right of the loop of the stitch in the front, wrapping up and over, bringing that needle back through like so. And you just keep doing this again till you get to the end. Or if your pattern says otherwise. And that's what creates these bumpy stitches, is the purl stitch. And that is purl stitch.